Imagine waking up every day with clarity, purpose, and resilience, ready to face whatever life throws your way. This is the power of Stoic philosophy, a way of life practiced by ancient thinkers like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus. For centuries, their wisdom has guided individuals to lead more meaningful lives by focusing on what truly matters. Today, we can adopt their principles into modern daily habits to achieve inner peace, self-discipline, and a greater sense of fulfillment. Let me walk you through how you can integrate Stoic habits into your daily routine, step by step, like an ancient guide for modern times. When you wake up, don't just dive into the chaos of the world. Pause. Breathe. The first moments of your day hold incredible power to shape how the rest of it unfolds. Start with morning reflection. Think about this. What kind of day do you want to have? What are the challenges waiting for you? Reflect on the words of Marcus Aurelius, who reminded himself daily that life is a privilege. Picture yourself meeting challenges with grace, responding to frustrations with calm, and embracing joys without attachment. This is not wishful thinking. This is preparation. You are training your mind to stay steady, no matter what comes your way. Next, take a moment to define your values for the day. Pick one or two virtues, maybe patience or courage, that you will carry with you. Write them down. This simple act will give you a compass for your decisions. Seneca said we often waste time because we don't know what we want. With clarity, you reclaim control over your day. One more thing before you start. Practice negative visualization. Yes, this may sound strange. Imagine things going wrong. Picture minor setbacks, losing an argument, facing delays, or someone being rude to you. This isn't to make you anxious, but to prepare your mind. Epictetus believed that we should rehearse life's adversities so they don't catch us off guard. When you do this, you'll find yourself surprisingly resilient when life throws you curveballs. As the day progresses, distractions and emotions will test your resolve. Here's where you pause and recenter yourself. Don't let the momentum of the morning get lost. Take short breaks, even if it's just a minute or two. In these moments, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, am I living in line with my values? These small pauses are like anchors that keep you steady in the storm of daily life. And remember this, every day brings opportunities for kindness. Stoicism isn't about being stoic in the cold, detached sense. It's about being deeply human. Seneca said, wherever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for kindness. Compliment someone, lend a hand, or simply smile. You'd be surprised how powerful these little acts can be, not just for others, but for your own sense of peace. Now let's talk about purpose. Why are you doing what you're doing today? Pause and reflect. Write it down if it helps. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself constantly that life is fleeting. This isn't meant to scare you, but to ignite urgency. Use this awareness to stay focused, even during mundane tasks. If you approach every action with purpose, no effort will feel wasted. When the day winds down, the real work begins. Reflection. Think of this as your personal audit. Ask yourself, what did I do well today? Where did I falter? How can I be better tomorrow? Seneca often asked himself these questions at night. He saw reflection as a tool to refine his character. You don't need to be harsh with yourself. Be honest, be kind, but be thorough. Writing things down in a journal helps. Not only does it clear your mind, but it also creates a record of your growth. Over time, you'll see patterns of progress, of struggles, and you'll learn more about who you are. End your day with gratitude. This isn't about forcing positivity. It's about appreciating the small, often overlooked gifts of life. Did someone make you smile? Did you enjoy a peaceful moment? Did you grow in some way today? A grateful heart is a content heart, and Marcus Aurelius believed that gratitude keeps us aligned with what truly matters. Finally, look ahead. Prepare for tomorrow. Seneca said that orderliness leads to tranquility. Take a few minutes to plan your next day. Outline your tasks, set priorities, and mentally rehearse how you'll face challenges. This isn't about being rigid. It's about starting your day with intention and freeing yourself from unnecessary worry. Let me leave you with one of the most powerful lessons of Stoicism. Embrace discomfort. Don't avoid challenges. Seek them out in small, intentional ways. Whether it's a cold shower, fasting for a day, or taking on a tough task, these experiences will teach you that discomfort is temporary and your willpower is greater than you think. Epictetus believed that difficulties reveal who we truly are, and by facing them willingly, you'll grow stronger. Another important habit is detachment. This doesn't mean you shouldn't care about outcomes, but you shouldn't depend on them for your happiness. Focus on your effort and let the results take care of themselves. As Epictetus said, make the best use of what is in your power and take the rest as it happens. This mindset will free you from unnecessary stress and disappointment. Finally, keep the wisdom of the Stoics close. Read their words, ponder their lessons, and let their insights guide you. Spend just 15 minutes a day with a Stoic text, and you'll find yourself growing in clarity and strength. Marcus Aurelius's meditations and Seneca's letters are like old friends who are always there to remind you of what truly matters. Adopting Stoic habits isn't about becoming perfect, it's about progress. Every day is a chance to align your actions with your principles, to grow in wisdom and strength, and to live a life of purpose and virtue. This isn't a quick fix, it's a lifelong journey. But every step you take brings you closer to a state of inner peace that no external force can shake. Start small, focus on one habit at a time, and remember, this journey is yours. It's not about comparing yourself to others, it's about becoming the best version of yourself. The Stoics believed that a life well lived is a life of alignment, where your thoughts, words, and actions all flow from your highest values. Take this wisdom and make it your own. Begin today and every day thereafter, knowing that you are walking the path of a Stoic, one step closer to mastering the art of living.